Shell twist balloon tutorial. Start by making a double ear twist with 2 fingers. Wrap the neck of the balloon between 2 single bubbles. Even out the air by squeezing and adjusting. Then twist to 2-finger single bubbles. Fold in half and wrap around the ear knot. Continue twisting 2 more 3-finger single bubbles. Wrap it around the ear of the knot. Using the same method, twist 2 4-finger single bubbles. Wrap around the ear of the knot. And then make 2 more 3-finger single bubbles. Wrap and secure. Finally, twist to 2-finger single bubbles and secure them by wrapping. Adjust the shape of the balloon. Deflate the remaining balloons. Tuck the remaining balloon skin into the gaps between the 5 sets of double bubbles. Pull the neck tight and wrap it around the dual loop knot. Adjust the shell shape, and you're all set. Did you get it?